Hello guys, welcome back to CP Fundamentals. Today is gonna be solving the trailing zeros problem from CSES. Let's take a look at the statement here. So your task is to calculate the number of trailing zeros in the factorial n. Like for example, factorial n has 4 trailing zeros. Trailing zero is the number of zeros at the end of the number. So the only input line only an integer n, and we print out the number of trailing zeros. The n is equals to 10 to the power of 9. So the question that how many trailing zeros are there in the factorial n can be understood by the following question. How many times do we have to divide that number by 10 until it is not divisible by 10 anymore? So let's take a look at the prime factorization of the factorial n. So you know that 10 can be written as 2 times 10, which are two prime numbers. But because of 2 is a very common factor in a factorial n, and we also require these two numbers to be present at the same time. Therefore, our problems is just to count the number of 5 that appears in the prime factorization of factorial n. But some people might think that the answer which is n divided by 5, but we have to also calculate the multiple of the of every multiplication of 5 as well. So for example, the number 20, the number of trailing zeros of the number 50 will be 50 divided by 5 plus 50 divided by 25 and other multiplication of 5. Right. So let's start code the solution. Yeah, the number of trailing zero is just the number n divided by every multiple of 5 less than or equals to n. Twenty 444. All right. Okay, I'm gonna download this code and then we just submit it. I think this problem is kind of easy, you know. We just have to be more pay more attention to the prime factorization to count the number of trailing zeros. All right. Let's go. Trailing zeros. Come on. Number one party anthem and full accepted. And thank you for watching this video. That is the solution for trailing zeros problem on CSES problem set.